So if you want to know more about our DTF printers, you can click the link in the description box. I've left a link to several videos that you can watch about our Sublistar DTF printers. So I'm still showing you some awesome Halloween print designs that we've got here. Yeah. So as you can see, you can literally start up any printing business, guys, with our DTF printers. You can use... Sorry about that, guys. I had forgotten that today I'm your favorite witch. You can call me Queen Witch. So like I was saying, you can start your printing business with us today and do these awesome cool designs. Especially now that it's spooky season, you can print out different types of scary things on different types of materials as well, because we've got DTF printers that are suitable for all types of materials also. So can I have another design? Oh yeah, I got it. So as you can see here, ooh, wow, this looks nice actually. So as you can see, here's another t-shirt with another design. Guys, you can print out almost anything. If you want to customize t-shirts for this Halloween, maybe for your friends or for your family or anything like that, it is very much possible because you can customize it, put your guys' names here, everybody. So let us watch some more designs. Oh yay! So I've got this nice bag here with me, as you can see. So this bag, I'll use it when I'm going to practice witchcraft. I'm going to put my magic broom in here. So as you can see, you can literally use our printers to print out on almost anything. As you can see, this is a bag, guys, and I was showing you some t-shirts. We also have some socks available, different types of things that you can use to print out on, guys. So let me show you more designs as well. Oh, we've got some cute socks over here, as you can see. We have some cute socks and we printed out there, "I'm not scared," with our Sublistar logo. So you can print out your logo as well. Get creative, get innovative, guys. Create your own logos, create your own designs, or you can find some designs on the internet and use those to print out anything of your choice, from t-shirts, socks, bags, anything, guys. Ooh, and here I've got this little small purse like thing here, as you can see, and it's written "Happy Halloween." This is perfect for Halloween gifts, guys. It's Halloween season, it's spooky season. You can put in some candy to give away as a gift this Halloween. You can pretty much put in some cute little stuff in here. If you're a girl and you want to give it to your friends, you can put some lip gloss, some small makeup items. So this is really good, guys. So get creative, get in touch with us today so we can actually show you how you can start your own printing business and everything like that. Oh yeah, thank you. So as you can see, we have got different types of designs available, guys. Different types of designs available. And like I said, you can make your own designs as well. Be creative, be innovative. Wow, this is really nice. Sorry. So let me show you another t-shirts that we got. I think this one is my favorite because it's matching with my shoes. So as you can see, guys, these are really awesome DTF print designs for Halloween. This is so beautiful, and like I said, we use the best quality raw materials and best quality printers. Ooh. Ooh, sorry, I'm such a clumsy witch. So let me just put this there. Okay, so as you can see, even if you stretch this, it's not going to have a bad effect, and this can last way longer than you think. So get in touch with us today, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, share this video with your friends and family, and start your printing business today. So you can contact us. All the links will be in the description box. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Oh, sorry guys, I had forgotten my hat. And I'm off to my witchcraft classes. Goodbye.